Welcome back, everyone. Here we have another La Pavoni. The handle on this was stiff. The steam bar was a bit stiff as well, trying to twist it off. So pretty standard with these units. All you have to do is take them apart and just replace all the gaskets and lube everything up, which is what we did. And now let's run a shot. Let the pressure build. There's some pre-infusion, and let's see what she bears. Oh yeah, there we go. Beautiful shot. Really, really good crema. Nice steady flow. Yeah, so this machine looks like it's functioning perfectly. For a 25-year-old La Pavoni, this is really good. It's a beautiful shot. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thank you.